including the following locations: Chesterville, Murdoch, Fair Grange, Garrett, Kingsborough, Bourbon, and Bushton. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 193 and 216. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the WXJ-76 listening area, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties: Coles and Douglas. At 2 p.m. at the Champaign Airport, skies were cloudy. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coles County, Edgar County, Clark County, northeastern Cumberland County, eastern Douglas County, until 3 p.m. At 2:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Camargo to Raritan to near Charleston, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Charleston, Oakland, Newman, Kansas, Ashmore, and Brockton around 2:15 p.m. Westfield around 2:20 p.m. Paris around 2:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Marshall, Martinsville, Edgar County Airport, and Vermilion. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 187 and 193. Interstate 70 between mile markers 129 and 154. Standard Time. At 7:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Latham, or near Martin, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martin, Union City, Paris, Mackenzie, Huntington, Fulton, Dresden, South Fulton, Greenfield, Gleason, Sharon, Cottage Grove, Latham, Springville, Roughton, Palmersville, Tracement, Vernier, Big Sandy, and Henry. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the storm shelter or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: in Tennessee: Benton, Carroll, Henry, Obion, and Wheatley.